everyone, I'm Chef Athan. Today I'll be showing you how I make Caesar salad chicken nugget wraps for your kids. You're gonna need spinach wraps, Caesar salad, and chicken nuggets. You guys are going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You put your nuggets in and then you close it. You're gonna need to put your the timer to 13 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna make the Caesar salad. We're going to get our items out. We are going to get the spices out. We're going to add the Parmesan. We're gonna be adding the Caesar dressing. You're gonna mix it really good. After you mix it, you're gonna need to add croutons. Voila! Our salad is ready. Oh! Our chicken nuggets are ready. You slightly heat up the wrap. You're gonna need 4 chicken nuggets that they cut into 4 pieces. We're going to add Caesar salad to the wrap. Now you're going to get chicken nuggets. Optional. You guys can add Chick-fil-A sauce if you want. Then you fold the wrap. Now for the taste test.
Okay, I'll try. Okay.
This one's for me. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. And today's shout out goes to Miguel and Maribel. And more videos coming soon. And peace!